Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday. Just doing a little so one thing, last weekend I ended up working Saturday and then Sunday was Father's Day, so I didn't get a chance to get out and do any videos. So I'm kind of putting this review out there because I've been thinking about doing it anyway, and it's about these containers. If you watch my Cast on Wednesday, you see me using these like pretty much all the time now. They're my kind of go-to favorite. And you know, because I was packing my lunch up this morning, and first I was making breakfast, so I actually keep bacon. These are just pre-cooked bacon bits, which I put in my scrambled eggs. And I shook some out in the pan, and then I was packing up a donut to take to work with me. And I was thinking, wow, man, I really like these containers, so maybe I'll do a quick vid. So I'll turn you down, show you the containers. Okay, so there are 3 sizes, and that's a terrible view. Let's see if I can get you down. Sorry. That's a little bit better. So there's a large, there's a medium, and then there's the short one. And I've used all 3. Plus there's lids, of course. And these are great. And I checked, I checked Costco, and they didn't have them. So no go at Costco. Then I checked Costco Business, which if you've been into a Costco Business, you'll know they're not the same. They're Costco Business as well. It's right in the name, business. It's a Costco Business Center. They have more towards business, whereas the wholesale is more for home. Home, they have like couches, and of course they have groceries and deli and stuff like that. Much bigger meat selection. But the Costco Business is like, you can go in there and buy a whole box of paper for printers and all kinds of shelving and all kinds of stuff. So I checked. So Costco Business. There's a store called the Chef Store, which is a restaurant supply store. Didn't have these. Checked there. Checked Fred Meyer, which is a Kroger brand. Also checked Safeway, Albertsons, QFC. Nobody had them. Nobody. Finally, I found them, and they were at another restaurant supply store. But they only had them in a case load, and each case was, I think it was around $35. So in order to have these, I would have had to have spent $140, because I'd have to get a case of lids, a case of the large, a case of the medium, and a case of the small. So 35 bucks times 4 is 140, give or take tax and blah blah blah. So I was like, well, I don't need a whole caseload, so I ended up getting them on Amazon. And yeah, these things are terrific. Been very happy with them. I run these through the dishwasher, totally fine. Haven't had any problems with them. I put them in. I mentioned this in another video. I went out to the park and I had some animal crackers. So I packed out some animal crackers, for when I'm sitting at work, and it's just a little snack. So, nuts, trail mix, granola, whatever you want to do. I've never had the lid pop off. I use them around the house too. Like this one has salt in it, so when I'm cooking and I need a little salt, I'll just grab this up. This one has flour, so if I'm making gravy or I'm thickening something up, I can just use a little bit of this inside the gravy. I don't have to dig out my whole thing. Plus I've already showed bacon bits, then my donut. And I will say too, if you're gonna put food in this, chill the food first before you put it in the container, because if you put hot food in here and put the lid on, it will breed bacteria. You could get sick. Also soup, beans, like especially refried beans, it would stay warm inside the center, breeding bacteria. You could get food poisoning. So, cool the food down. I usually will put this on a paper towel. I have a little container, flat paper towels. I spread the bacon out on it, I leave it overnight, and then I move it in here when it's this cool. So don't get sick. And of course, I also use the tall one when I'm baking. Like when I make cornbread, I just throw the skewers, you know, keep the skewers in this one, you know, because you can, if you tamp a, you know, if you poke a skewer into a, you know, cornbread and it comes out clean, why throw the stick away? So, well, there you go. Just, you know, like I said, I've just been really digging these containers. They've been handy. They've been really helpful around the kitchen. You know, I really like them. You know, they're great for snacks and stuff. I've actually just, you know, go in the kitchen and just, you know, pour some chips. Just pour it in a medium one. I'm not over portioning because I'm already got, you know, the weight issue going. But yeah, so a case of these, I bought the whole case at Costco, not Costco, Amazon, and it was like $17. And you know, because I was a Prime member, I only had to pay tax, so it ended up being like 18 bucks. So shipping charges might vary for you, but these things are just fantastic. And all the links will be down in the description. Have a great day. Enjoy your upcoming weekend. I think tomorrow I'm going to shoot a review of a product that was sent to me. So yeah, I probably won't have anything on Sunday. I don't think I called into work, but we'll see. Hopefully not, but you never know. Anyway, have a good one. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.